Good morning! Good morning, good morning. It's time to say hello. Good morning to you and 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 me. Good morning and welcome to Adele's Lego. 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 Yeah, I'll stop doing that now. I promise. Right then. So I think we're on video 3 of bag 3s of the Creator Assembly Square. Dun dun dun! This one. Yes, that one. Now, I was going to do it last night, but the eyes went a bit fuzzy. They did. So I thought I would pop on and finish it off this morning. Now don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe here at Adele's Lego. And vote for the one that you want me to build live. Now you've got either the Harley Davidson, the VW Beetle, or the Lego Friends equivalent in size. Yes. So we're going to go down and get cracked on. Yes. Let's go down. Down. And that's far enough. So this is what I've done so far. So I'm going to keep picking it up. I hate picking it up, but I want to show you. So that's what we have so far of Assembly Square. That is what it's going to look like. Let's see if I can get it with it. That's what it's going to look like. But this is only the bottom layer. So look, you're in your cafe there with the barista, florist, and then you're in your bakery. So yes, we're going to turn it back around because unfortunately I got to see it more than you when building. Yes, you get to see the inside like that though. I love the wedding cake. That's, yeah. Right, so we're here on page 112, part number 158 that we're doing, I think. So I've cheated a little bit. I've organised these. I haven't organised this side, so it's still going to take me just as long because this side is a nightmare. But yeah, I've kind of organised this side a little bit. So I'm getting all my bits here on the staging area. Look how easy that was to get those bits. Oh my god. So I don't know if I'll get this finished in one video or if we'll have to do it in 2 videos. I don't know yet. We shall see. Yes. I will try my best to just do it in 1. Because then I've done bag 3 in 3 videos. You know. That's my idea. Oh, we're making this there. That's good. We're making these sturdy because they were scaring me a little bit. Oh, that's even better. Look how much sturdier that is now. That is just awesome. For some reason we're only putting a 6 there though. Why are we only putting a 6 there? Oh, have I done that right? No, I haven't. Failed already, guys. I just started. 6 in there. And an 8 in there. Oh, yeah, that makes it so much better. It's ridiculous how much better that is. How sturdy that is now. That is not going anywhere. I'm so happy about that. So happy. Right. Let's crack on with the next page. 1, 2, 3. 1 more. 4. 1 large black one. 1 small 2. 2 3s. A long one. 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, dropping them. And a 4. Here we go. Right, Where do we put all this? Where do we put all this? Where do we put? So 2, 4, 6 there. Is that a 6? 2, 4, 6. So we're going to start from this end and work our way around. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. Long one now. Okay. Sturdy. Then a 4 and the back, not the front. And then a 4. They're 3s. Why have I only got 1 4? Do I only want 1 4? Yeah. And then 1 a 3 and a 2. 3. A corner bit. Corner bit. Then 1 a 3. Right. And then a 2. And then a corner bit. We're not doing bad. Not doing good, but we're not doing bad either, you know. I never count my chickens before they hatch from building Lego. 2, 4, 6. I could do it wrong within a second, or make everything collapse quite easily. I want no illusion. None whatsoever. Right. So we've done the corner. Then we've done the 6. Then I want another corner in. Then what do we want? World peace. Corner. Then we want this bit in. Then I want a corner going that way. Then we want 2, 4, 6. And then there should be a 6 left. Now I know I've done that right because, yeah, look. But that is now solid as a rock. Yes, it is. Next page. Next page. 4 of these now. So, 1, 2, 3. 1 more, please. 4. 4 of them. 4 flat ones. 1, 2. Where are you going? The book was opening up for some reason. 3, 4. 2 beigey 2s. 1 and 2. Oh, lovely. 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. 4 small flats. So 1, 2, only 2 there. So they must be smaller than them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 small flats. Small 4, yeah. 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 small flat. 1 small flat. 4 1 flats. 1 in light grey. 2, 3. 1 more. 1 more in heaven. 1 more in heaven. Come on. We got 1 more there. 4 of them. 3 long flats. 2, 3. 3 next size down flats. 1, 2, 3. 1 of those. 1 of those. They can all just sit there a minute. 4 single dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, there's a lot on this page. And then 1 dark grey. Okay, that's a lot of bits. That's a lot of bits. So here we go. Okay, so we're building things with this one. Down there. And that on top. And a grey one. or a beige one, sorry. If it works. Why are they not going together properly? What am I doing wrong? And then 2 dots. Oh, the benches, the seats for outside seating. Okay. And one goes there. Right, and repeat 4 times. But I've only got 2 of them. I should have had 4. Okay. I can see the other ones, it's fine. I thought I could see the other ones. Yep, there they are. They're the 2 that I want. You're the 2 that I want. You are the 2. Honey. The 2 that I want. You are the 2. Honey. It's 3. Ah, it's looking like we're finishing off this level because I'm putting all the flat ones on the top. Looks like it. Oh yes indeed. Other way around it now. Other way. Down there. Right, we have our 4 benches. Now you can't see them. So I'm going to try and lift it again and show you what I've just built. 4 of them. Now we're going to build some tables. Oh wait, we haven't done this part. Go down. Go down. Right then. Where does the arch go? The arch goes here. I think it goes there. I'm hoping it goes there now. I've just clicked it in. Trying to figure out what size they all are next to each other. It doesn't exactly tell you. So I'm just putting these ones in for a minute. So in theory, you should be able to figure it out, Canada. In theory. I have a question. How does that just sit on top then? Not connect to anything under there? That's very weird. It's very weird if that's true there. So that's, I've never known Lego till you look at like that, but that could be me just overthinking it quite easily. I think that one's there. Then the other long one's there. Could be wrong there. And the long one might go there. Yep, long one's there. That's too small now. You come a minute, please. I think a longer one goes there, but then it's only big enough for 2. And I mean, yeah, this is good. That's only big enough for 1 then. That's got to fit there. That one there. That one there. Right, that's that done. That side. That's that side. Okay, so we're still figuring out this side. So in theory, that shouldn't be there. There we go. That took a lot longer than what it should have done. A lot longer. But I do have this one. So that, I need 2 of those. But I only have 1. Nope, got the other one over here. Because then they sit. Right, that wasn't hard. Much. It was easier to build the tables. It really was. Hoping I've got that right. Right then, so we want 2 of the discs, 2 of these funky looking pieces, 2 of the flat discs over here, 1 dark grey, 1 dark grey colour corner in there, and 4 of the sticky up bits. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we're building tables. We're building tables. That's a table. That's how you build it. It sits in there. They look a bit like out of Star Wars though, not out of Lego City or Creator to me. That's your table. There we go. Tables are in. Sorted. Now we want 4 of these. Which way around do they go? That way around. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4. Thank you. Now a corner piece. Okay, that one doesn't go there. It goes there. So that means that one goes there. There. Next page. Next page. We've still got quite a lot left, but we're doing well. So it looks like we're making trees or bushes for the front. Yep, maybe one of them. There you are. 2 yellow dots went swimming one day over the hills and far away. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. Where are you? 1, 2. Really? 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. I need a 4th one. There we go, 4th one. And then 4 grey discs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got them all. So to make the bushes, you take a little brown one and you stick in the little green one. And that is how you make little trees. They go on the front of a barista. I love all the little details there. I think it makes it a community. It really does. So cool. Right, oh, we're making the lights now to hang over where these are. So there'll be 4 of them. Obviously there's 4 of them. We've got 4 of everything. I give up with my brain sometimes. I really do. So that is going to be our little outside light. Clicks on there. Cool. That does look pretty funky. So we need to do 4 of them. So we needed 4 yellow dots. Yep, we did. Still got a lot of pieces left, so I might have to do this in 2 videos. So unfortunately, the 3 bag will not be done in 3 videos. No. Mr. Producer doesn't like them too long. Helps if you put the other bit on first. Before you try and connect that bit, I tried to jump a step completely then. Okay, that's a tight squeeze. Move Mr. Dog. That's a very tight squeeze. How are you meant to get that in there? Put it in that way. Okay, you could turn them inwards as well. So just have it focused on there if you wanted. On the door, or just stand there. Right. Mind your head whenever you walk out. So that's it for the lights. They're up. So the next thing we're doing is we're doing the canopies now to go over there. So we need 8 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these, I presume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and they get little bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those little bits. Now the yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So this is how you make a canopy. No, it's not. It's that way around it now. Nearly made a mess of it. And then you just sit it on there. There we go. That's it. Let's see if I can do all the others. Right, now the white ones. They look a bit like claws at the moment. They won't in a minute. Yes. Where did that drop? Where did that drop? That's always good. Right, I'm gonna go shut my eyes. I'll be 1 second. And it had bounced. It had bounced. It bounced, 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 bounced. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Does that not look pretty cool? I wonder if that makes the daisy at the front. I bet it does. Okay, excited. I think I'm building a daisy. I think. I could be getting excited for no reason, but I think I am. So much more left to build to this, and there's only 3 lots of bags left. But I've done that. No, I haven't done that the wrong way around. It's just not going in. You look at the picture and you think, wow, that looks amazing. And then you think, oh my god, how many bricks is left? That wasn't clever. It's Move the table a minute. Why have you just popped off? The brick came out with the table. Okay, we wanted to stay together. My chair's not moving back now. Last one. Hopefully. Taking that yellow one out to put the white one in because it was going funny on me. Make sure they're in. Tight. And they're in. Right. Next. Oh, I get to make my daisy. Right, we just gotta move this now a minute because we've got to build and it's fiddly, so we're moving it securely onto the table behind me. Yes. So we want one of them and the black two first. Now we need a 3 black and another 2. Yep. Then we want a circle. Got a circle. And then I stick you up a bit. And that way. Okay. Now we want how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these go all the way around the ring that you just put on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, so then you get a sunshine. I love it. Right. So where are you sticking? One of them. One of them. One of them. And a flat black one. Flat black. Thank you. So the flat black sits on top of the circle. There. Sits in there. And that clips in. There. And that sits in the middle there. Okay, that's what we've got so far. Now we want the cup, another one of them, and one of them. Let's put that around, that on top, and then the cup. Okay. And that fits in there. Oh god. Look at that. You can see it. That's awesome. That is awesome. Now that's got to fit on here. I want to do it this way around though so you can see. You can see there? So now that should slide onto there and then you push it up. Do you push it up? Yeah, pull it up. Doesn't sit very flush. It's meant to come up again. If I push that up there, like so. But that's going to push it out. Interesting. must be how it goes on. Yeah, good luck. So, who wants a coffee? Alright, let's have what are we building next? That is up. You know, looking at it from this angle. I suppose you could bring the sunshine up a bit more even. To make it, yeah, that's up. That's me being, yeah. That's just me. That's just me. Do 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 do. Being a pain. Do 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 do. Right, 2 dark black dots things. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is probably going to be the last page on this video. 1, 2, 3. 1 of them. And 1 of them. Okay, so for 2 of these, we need to put the dots on the front. 1 and 2. Okay, so it looks like we're going from here, not there, then 1 with a dot, there, then the other one that's not got a dot, there, and then the other one that's not got a dot, there. Okay, and then 1 with nothing. There. Okay. I think that's right. And then we're going here again. 1 there. 1. So if you put them that way around. 1 with that dot. And the 4. That's too long. And that should be a 3. And that one's too long, should be that one. Beauty of Lego. If you're not doing it right, it won't fit. Right, next we're going one of them, 2 ratchets. I call them ratchets, but they're not ratchets. 2 of them. Okay, so these fit where? 1 there. And 1 there. And then these sit on them. So that's going that way. Like so. So then these fit on top of it, like so. And the other way. Not quite sure why this is, but okay. Right, so I'm going to do the next part in another video. So yes, we'll bring you up. So thank you for joining me in part 3 of bag 3. The next one will be part 4 and it will finish in part 4. I will be determined to finish in part 4. So thank you for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.